Hi everyone. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle A equals the measure of B plus 30. The measure of angle C equals the measure of angle A plus 60. So we have to find the measure of each angle. So the first thing we want to do is just write down that a triangle, let's just put measure of angle A plus the measure of angle B plus the measure of angle C equals 180 degrees. All right, and then we want to state that the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B plus 30 degrees. And we also know the measure of angle C equals the measure of angle B plus 60 degrees. So now we're going to use substitution. So I know the measure of angle A equals this. So substitute and write measure of angle B plus 30 for this part. Now this part, we're just going to copy that down. And then the measure of angle C equals this. So we're going to write measure of angle B plus 60 degrees equals 180 degrees. And we're going to solve for measure of angle B. So the measure of angle B, we have 1, 2, 3 of those. So 3 times the measure of angle B. And then we have 30 plus 60 equals 90. So we're adding like terms. That equals 180 degrees. Subtract 90 from both sides and you get measure of angle B equals 90 degrees. So that's 3 times that. You divide both sides so we know the measure of angle B equals 30. So here we have the measure of angle B is 30 degrees. Now, since the measure of angle B is 30, then we're going to look at this one, and we know the measure of angle A equals the measure of angle B, which is 30 degrees plus 30 degrees, and that equals 60 degrees. All right, and then the measure of angle C is the measure of angle B. The measure of angle B is 30 degrees plus 60 degrees. That equals 90 degrees. And so this would be a right triangle. So let's just draw it. I'll go ahead and put measure of angle C here. That's 90 degrees. By definition, that's a right triangle. I'll put B here, and B was 30. And I'll put A here, which is 60. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.